Hello everyone, my name is Fanger and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be playing Far Cry 4. So let's do this. Hostage? Don't worry mate, I'll save you. Oh, yeah, sorry about that. You shall live. For now. Wait, what? What the hell's going on? The machine is alive! Ah, it's attacking! Shh, I'm sneaking. Oh, I said I'm sneaking. Shh. God damn it. Take this knife! Ah, shit, missed. What? What's going on? What's hitting me? Oh shit, it's a cat! Ah! Oh shit, that was close. I almost died. Hello, ma'am. My name is Officer Eddie. Please exit the vehicle, please. Ma'am, please exit the vehicle. Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Sir, please do not get behind the wheel. Sir. Thank you, sir. Aren't you a beautiful doggy? No, no, stay there. No, no, no. So what brings... Ah! No, stay there. Yeah, no, stay. Stay. I thought we could be friends. I thought we could be friends. No, 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 no.